Hey everyone, today I want to show you something that breaks my heart. This is Sam.gov. $700 billion of government contracts pass through this website every year. Some of that money is reversed for small businesses. Maybe for your business? Now try to find it. You search and you get 30,000 results. Okay, you put filters, active only, solicitations only, still thousands, and nothing tells you which one is for you. No match, no ranking, nothing. You just scroll and scroll down. A NAICS code, when a CEO contract officer put a wrong NAICS code, then this opportunity has a worth of $1 million. But in your search, manually searching on Sam.gov, you did not find this opportunity. And due to this wrong NAICS codes, this opportunity go to trash. Nobody tells you this. You just sit there wondering why you never win. I have watched good businesses, hardworking people give up on government contracts, not because they were not good enough, because nobody can fight a system board like this. There is a fix, a real one. I will explain in next video how you can fetch your opportunities on base of your NAICS code and profile previous records. How can you fetch a real time data from Sam.gov without filtering and manual searching? So you must connect with me to the next video. I will explain each and everything.